So Tal, you're not only speaking at our conference as an expert, as the PAIRS pioneer, but you are a patient of our next speaker, Mr. Ben Clark, an eye surgeon. You lost your left eye to a shard of ice, and your right eye has subsequently been invaded by a cataract, which Ben removed and has given you a lens replacement successfully. Could you just describe what happened?
Yeah, sure. As you will probably all know, the zonules that link the sclerotic muscle on the inside of the eyeball to the lens capsule, which contains the lens, are highly incompetent in Marfan. In my case, most of them actually were broken. There were very few connecting the sclerotic muscle to the capsule. So the capsule sat in the wrong place. The lens was dislocated, in my case, up and across to the right. So it's no good considering conventional lens replacement where a new lens is put into the existing capsule because the existing capsule isn't in the right place. So I had a treatment which I'm sure Ben will elaborate on, where the lens capsule and zonules are removed, and then a new freestanding lens, a replacement lens, is fitted into the posterior chamber in the correct position in the light path, with its own self-supporting legs that are buried into the inner wall of the sclera, the eyeball. This means I now have a clear lens that doesn't wobble on Mickey Mouse zonules, that sits in exactly the right place, is totally clear, and I have significantly improved visual acuity.
That's phenomenal. That gives hope to lots of Marfan people. Thank you.